Hi, students. I just want to briefly cover a few points with you on the 2A assignment for the security plan. So, the main thing, again, I always want you to make sure that you read through all your assignment instructions, click on all the hyperlinks. So, here we're going to be talking about the various security threats and things of that nature. So, for example, number one says indicate what section of the information security policy template addresses network security threats and summarize the policy in the space provided. So, first of all, again, I want you to read through this My Hub intranet, and that particular article is going to be it's going to give you some highlights on some different information like first of all, internet security, external threats. It explains them. Network security threats, and it explains what that is. Security breaches, viruses, weak passwords, access control. It gives you an idea or overall view of what these things mean that are in the assignment or in this particular assignment. Now, what you have to do in order to answer the questions on the assignment is go to the other link, which was the Information Systems Security Policy Template. And I already have it brought up here. It's about 194 pages, but you're really just interested in what you need to do for the assignment. So when you come into this document, you want to scroll down to the table of contents. And so here we have the table of contents. And if you notice, it has the purpose, and then it has 1.1 employee responsibilities. So we know we're not talking about employee responsibilities here in the threats. And then you come down and you see network connectivity, identification, and authentication. I'm sorry. And then it has like user logon ID, passwords, confidentiality agreement, access control. So if you notice, you saw those things in your assignment. So that's how you know where you need to find the information or where you need to find the policy. Now, when you look at the information here, for instance, it says user login ID. So if that was something that you wanted to look into to see, what it says about user login IDs and see if it's part of what you're looking for, you just click on the link and it takes you right to the information or the policy. And you read through that policy and you summarize the policy, and that's what you put on your worksheet. The main thing I want to stress is that you want to make sure you put that 3.1 and then the title on your worksheet, because that is the section. That is what I'm looking for. And then if you use this section, then you need to summarize this information to put on your worksheet. But all of your sections, all of your responses should have, the number and the title. So 4.2 dial-out connections, if that's what it was, or 4.3 telecommunications equipment. But it needs to relate to that. So that is what I'm looking for when you complete this assignment. And then, to be clear, the final question is a little bit different. And it says security plan expansion. And it asks you to write a new section for the security policy to be adopted as the facility's revised security plan. So in your own words, indicate how each threat of the 7 threats, which are the ones we did above, is addressed based on your summaries above. So you just want to kind of summarize that information into one. And that is how you complete that assignment. So I hope that helps.